Hi everyone, I'm GoldQueen Queency and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I created these glitter half-cut crease eyes. So guys, if you want to see how I created this glitter half-cut crease eye look and how I created this whole makeup look, guys, keep watching. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter. Thank you so much. Having said that, let's get started. So guys, for my primer, I'll be making use of this Fasale Unicorn Essence as my primer, and I will go ahead to apply it all over my face. Okay. After that, for my foundation, I'll be making use of this classic makeup foundation, guys, in the shade CL01. So guys, after applying the foundation on my face, I would love to color correct because I had like an arcane breakout which left some dark spots on my face, and I made use of this Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick, guys, to apply it on the dark areas of my face, and then I blended it out making use of a beauty blender, babes, before I blended out the foundation. So guys, you just need to like blend it so fast so that it doesn't dry out, so that the liquid lipstick doesn't dry out, okay. And after blending it, making use of the same beauty blender, I went ahead to blend out the foundation all over my face while covering the color correction I made, okay. So guys, you need like a lot of foundation if you color correct, okay. So guys, as you guys can see, I took my time showing you guys how I blended out my whole face with the color correction, okay. So babes, I just went ahead blending out my foundation all over my face while making sure that I covered all the color correction on my face, and I covered up my skin properly. After that, I'll be highlighting my face making use of this concealer, babes. And then those are the areas of my face I highlighted underneath of my eyes, okay, my jaw, cupid bow, ridge of my nose and my forehead. And as well conceal the dark circles on my lid. So guys, after applying the concealers on the areas I wanted, guys, I went ahead to contour my face, okay. And those are the areas of my face I contoured with. And then making use of a beauty blender, I went ahead to blend out my highlighter first. Okay, blend out the areas of my face I highlighted. As you guys can see, I'm not really moving the concealer, okay. I'm just blending it back and forth while trying to cover up my face or my skin properly, okay. So guys, after blending out my highlights, okay, I went ahead to make use of a brush to blend out my contour, the areas of my face I contoured. And then after that, I'll be setting my face making use of this Veroli loose powder, okay. I'll just go all over my face in order to set it all over the areas of my face I highlighted, okay. And then for my contour, I'll be making use of this Usher contour palette. I'll take the color there, okay, go over to the areas of my face I contoured in order to set it. So guys, I as well allowed my face to bake a little, and then making use of a small brush, I went ahead to contour my nose. So guys, after contouring my face, I went ahead to blend out the baking I'm doing, okay, my face I baked, okay. I went ahead to blend it all out. And so guys, going into my brow, you guys know the simple rule: draw the underneath of your brow, draw the above, and then you're just going to fill it in, okay. and then coming to the front part, I'm going to give it like a little bit of a hair stroke. So guys, moving over to my eyes, I'm making use of this Violet Vox Ride or Die palette, and then I will take that color there, babes. Because I went ahead to take this light orange color from the same Violet Vox Ride or Die palette. And then so guys, I'll go ahead to apply this on my crease, okay? Trying to like blending it out and back and forth. So babes, because I wanted to create like a half cut crease eyes, so I'm going in with the pink color. After that, I went ahead to like darken my crease with the black eyeshadow color there. So guys, I went back with the pink, okay, in order to blend out my outer corner, blend out any harsh lines. So guys, to cut my crease, I made use of the same concealer I used earlier. Okay, I just like cut my crease on half cut crease, and then guys, after that, I made use of this eyelash glue. Is a clear eyelash glue, and once I had to use it to apply the half cut crease I did, and then I made use of this glitter, okay, babes. So guys, one thing I'm going to tell you guys is make sure you don't close your eyes when you apply the eyelash glue, because it's going to stick, okay. And then I went ahead to place the glue on my half cut crease. So guys, after that, making use of a liner, an eyeliner gel, okay, a gel liner. Guys, I went ahead to apply some liner on my eyes, and then I blended out the edges, as you guys can see. So guys, I went in with the black color, babes, okay, in order to make sure that the crease line, okay, is perfect. And then I took the pink color there, okay, to go for my lower lash line, and then the black color, okay, in order to darken it a little bit. So it's just like we are just creating the same thing above underneath, okay. And then with some mascara, I went ahead to apply some mascara to my lower lash line, to my lower lash, and as well to my lashes. So guys, making use of that color there, I went ahead to apply it on my tear dot, and then I highlighted my face, apply some blush, and then I made use of this Q-Base persistent lip liner to line my lips. Because I feel like, and then for my lips, I'm making use of this NYX liquid matte lipstick, guys, because I feel like I'm having like oily skin these days. I don't know why, but that's okay. I have like a combination skin. And so guys, that is it today on how I created this glitter half cut crease eye look, and then how I did this whole makeup look. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share. Check out my video on how I created this crochet hair tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.